After modeling the steel structure, cladding panels can be added to the model. This will allow for fast and efficient assignment of area loads that will act on the external shell of the structure to the respective underlying bar components. Claddings are defined by indicating the corners of the contour in sequence. With the steel model open, from the text menu, select Geometry, Claddings. The Claddings dialog displays. Under Object, expand the Load Distribution dropdown and select Two-Way. Next, under Definition Method, ensure Contour is selected. Now, in the drawing area, select 4 points in succession that define the corners of the wall of the structure. To finalize the creation of the first cladding, click the initial point. A cladding displays on the structure. Repeat this process for the roof and the gable wall. Again, cladding displays as they are defined. Using the view cube, orbit the view so you can see the other side of the structure. Again, select 4 points defining the wall, and finalize the cladding by selecting the initial point. Repeat this process on the gable wall. From the view cube, select the home icon to return to the default view of the structure. In the Claddings dialog, select Close. Defining claddings can be simplified when the correct structural axes are defined in conjunction with the proper snap settings.